Assalamualaikum teachers. First you have to install Forms app, then slightly go to Survey Heart. Okay, you can download Survey Heart as well. As you can see, I have taken class 10th, class 7th assessment. So what you have to do if you are going for the assessment, first you have to click on the quiz. So when we click on the quiz, it will show the plus mark. Okay, once again it is showing two options, forms and quizzes. So we need not to go to the forms, we have to go for the quiz. All right, so once you click the quiz, it will show like this, title and description. So you can write it down. As I am writing assessment, and description you can write the lessons. I am writing here tissues. Okay, right, then go for the plus mark. So if your question paper contains of multiple choice, then you have to go for the multiple choice. All right, write it down here. Now I am framing a question. Group of cells is called as. Okay, you can add option here. Okay, group of cells is called as tissue. Okay, other one organ. You can take as many options as you want. I am placing only 3 options. Cell. Okay, it cell. Now we have to select the correct one. So you have to click on the, now the answer for this question is tissue. So just I will be double tapping on the tissue. It is showing answer, and we have to open this required tab. Once we open the required tab, it shows that the student must and should answer this, he cannot skip. Now we have to frame the other one. So go back, just click on the plus. Okay, multiple choice again, you can frame another question. Okay, microorganisms. Okay, I'll take another one, take another question. For example, amoeba is a, right here already I have placed the amoeba is a. Add option unicellular, write down the app option. You can take multicellular or none. So what is the answer? Amoeba is a unicellular, right? As you can see, it is the right answer, and you have to click it on the required. All right, so this you have to do, and make sure you select the correct option and place it on it properly. Right, now this 2 has been done. So what you have to do is, for understanding purpose, having only 2 questions, go in the settings. In the settings you can have so many options. You can write start. Instead of start you can write anything like ready steady go. Name. So what I am doing here, instead of not only name, I want this section as well, and class as well. Okay, class anyhow we are placing, so I want roll number. All right, so roll number. And duration, if you want to have duration, you can set the duration. Click on this, it will show. So let us have a duration of you can select anyone. Mostly I will be keeping for 10 minutes because it's a multiple choice questions. All right, allow multiple attempts. If you are clicking on allow multiple attempts, then the student can edit answer. So we are not giving that chance for the student. Okay, and you can choose here one theme also, whichever you feel. There are so many bright themes. So I will be selecting one. Okay, I will be selecting, for example, I'll be selecting a technology. Right, this will be showing there. That you can do that once it is started. That is how you see, and then you can go in the settings again. So many options are there, etc. Now I will submit it. Once it is submitted, all the questions are completed here, and we can view the quiz. Go for the view, because if you want to edit again, if you want to change any questions, it will show start like this. Let student will be getting this link and he will be writing. So I'll make it XYZ. Okay, start quiz. Okay, right here you can see the timing has been started. Group of cells, I have selected answer B, A, and amoeba is answer is unicellular. So when the student is going towards the down, he has to submit it. So when he will be submitting, he will be getting such kind of a score. Correct 2 answers, wrong nothing, skipped nothing. Okay, right. Once it is submitted, we will receive it in the we will receive it in our assessment. So the boy will be submitting. What we have to do, we have to check it here. Okay, in quiz, let me show you in quiz app. Okay, right, This is the active quiz is going on. Assessment 1 just now we started. So we want to see the answers. View answer. Already we have done this demo. So you can understand here XYZ answer. You see here 2 answers have been. This will be saved and you can share this if you want as a text or image, or you can download these as a PDF file. Okay, and one more thing, you have to keep this active until your time, half an hour or 1 hour. Once you are making it deactive, then the student cannot answer this. Okay, thank you very much.